In this video, I will show you how you can make complete elevation from floor plan, multiple floors elevation, each and everything in just one time. Doors, windows, dimension, hatching, leveling, sill level, multiple floors, each and everything in just one time. For that, let this upload, type AP. LISP is additional software in AutoCAD, okay? So let this multi-floor elevation load and close. This is okay. We will hide hatch, okay? I will take front elevation, okay? Type EL, which is elevation, okay? You are getting elevation parameters, okay? Door height. So we will provide door height 2200 mm, window height 1200 mm, frame let this 40 unit, window sill 1000 unit, false ceiling drop, okay, 600 unit, floor to floor height how much you want, floor to floor, okay. So we'll keep 32 mm, slab thickness 200 mm, ground thickness 180 mm, end to end wall width, okay. We'll keep 200 mm. Number of floors how much you want, okay. I want 6. Text scale for leveling, okay. So we'll keep 180. So these are the parameters you have to make one time. Now inner dimension tick, elevation, front and generate. When you generate, you have to click inside, okay. That's why we make this boundary. If you see here, when you click inside, it asks you direction. Let this direction and let this very carefully. Select this line, window line, door line and projection line, okay, and these window line and this end line, okay. So you have to select window line, projection line, door line and end to end line, okay, for the plan, and just enter one time and click here to get your complete number of 6 floor elevation in detail, accurate dimension with elevation title, floor level, window, including dimension, clear height, floor to floor, each and everything you are getting in just one time. As it is, 4th floor level, 5th level, 6th level and top level. Top level 19.2 dimensions also we are getting. Not limited to this. We will take left side elevation, okay, type EL, rest everything as it is. I want to increase number of floors, okay. Let this 8 and elevation view left. Click on generate, click inside, take this direction and select your end to end line, window line, projection line, okay. So we have selected perfectly. Enter one time. When you enter, it asks you click over the point to get your detailed elevation. Now you see here, you are getting left side elevation. We will take right side elevation. Rest everything same. I want to increase number of floor. You can keep as much as floor you want, okay. Let this here, right side and generate and click inside. When you click inside, choose direction and choose lines, okay. Your end line, window line, projection line, doors line, okay. And one more thing which is very important, this door must be separate layer, window must be separate layer. Width will detect automatically, okay. Number of 15th floor elevation in detail, all as it is, all in one time. You are getting right side elevation. You are getting perfect number of 15th floor all in one time, perfectly as it is. Same I want to take back side, okay. I will keep number of floor 20 and click on rear, okay, rear side. Generate, click inside and take this direction, select your line, projection line, door, window and end to end line, okay. Enter and click here to get your number of 20 floor elevation perfectly in just one time. So you are getting each and everything layer based. Door height, you have to decide. So door window you must have to create door window layer, okay. Now you see here we are getting 20 floor perfectly in just one time. Sill level, everything as it is. This is the powerful way to make complete elevation in detail in just one time. If you want to download this LISP, just check out the link below. Of course, if you want to work with this LISP, then you have to customize something, okay? For that you can contact me. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.